Tyler, Sarah, I have something for you.
Is that a surprise for me? Is that a gift or a surprise?
It's a surprise and a gift.
Surprise!
Haha. Okay. You won't know until you get it.
You know what is?
Me?
You know what is in?
Yes.
Yeah. How you can know and you didn't open it?
Okay, you guys, I got a package. So let's start off today's vlog with some excitement. A package from, let me tell you all about the package from. Let me tell you all about the package first.
Yes, I want to hear.
The package is from Lauren. The package is from Lauren's Art. And I'm gonna just tell you guys right now, I'm gonna put all of Lauren's information on the screen and in the description box. If you guys are into any kind of art, any kind of portrait of your family in cartoon form, Lauren does an amazing job. Lauren is talented beyond words with art. So Lauren mom sent me a package, Miss Maxine McCarthy, a few weeks ago with art in it for Tyler and Sarah. And she sent another art for Tyler and Sarah.
Last art was in our video.
Yes.
I
You're surprised? Let me see a surprise face. Show me my surprise face. Okay, so okay. I want you guys to see your face. Ty, sit here. Right, that's how I want you to sit.
I'm closing.
Sarah, sit this way. Alright. No, Ty, open your eyes. Open open your eyes. Choose a hand. Which hand you want?
This one.
You want this hand?
Yes.
Sarah, which hand you want? Choose, touch one of Mama's hand. Okay, so Sarah wants this hand and Tyler wants this one. Let's see if each of your photo or art is gonna come out in the same in the hand that you choose.
Yes.
Sarah. You like it?
And yes. Naruto! I didn't know I thought she didn't know that I like Naruto.
I told her you like Naruto.
Wow.
You're seeing the back. Turn it around and show Papa.
Wow.
Turn it around and show Papa.
Peppa Pig.
Give me my phone. Give me my phone.
Yes,
You like them? You like it?
I want to keep it for all my life.
I'm gonna frame it for you. I'm gonna put it
I
in
want
a
to keep
frame.
it for all my life.
You can keep it for all of your life. It's yours. Okay? What are you supposed to say?
Thank you, Lauren.
Say thank you, Auntie Lauren.
Thank you, Auntie Lauren. Thank you, Auntie Lauren.
Look at Ty, can't stop looking at it. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna show you the arts better. Hold on, Ty. So that's Tyler one, and this was painted by Lauren. This is absolutely
Behind we see the
beautiful.
painting.
Right, so it's the effect of the paint behind that reflect on the front. And this one, hold this. And this one is Sarah. Wait, Sarah, wait. I know it's yours. You're gonna get it, girl. So there goes Sarah. So you guys, if you want art, please, please, please click the link down below and order your art from Lauren. Lauren does an amazing job and she ships no matter where you are. She can get your piece to you. So support Lauren. Lauren is only 18 years old and she's beyond talented. So show Lauren all the love, please, you guys. It would mean so much to me if you guys go ahead and show Lauren love and love and lots of love. So let's get into the rest of today's vlog. Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day and it's just me and only me. Well, my babies are at school, Tyler's at school, Sarah's at school, and I'm sitting in the park right now waiting for the next 10 minutes so stores can open up, because places normally open up like 10, not restaurants and stuff, those open up for lunchtime, but businesses like clothes stores and those kind of little things open at 10. I have a few errands that I need to run this morning, so I'm going to do that. So I'm going to take you guys along with me, so stick and stay. And if it's your first time to the channel, give this video a thumbs up right now and subscribe. Make sure you click the notification bell so you don't miss a video when I upload. The weather is still good, but it rained a bit yesterday, so it's a little bit cool. I'm out in my shorts today. Yes girl, yes. I'm out in my shorts today, and for some reason the transportation was super full this morning than how it would normally look. I don't know why, but I guess it's just one of those mornings, Monday morning. Anyway, you guys have a good day, stay safe, stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys with errand number 1. Oh, and in case you're wondering, baby's at work, baby's at the office today, so you guys won't see everybody until after I finish run errands. So let's go do some errands and you guys will see the rest of the family, babes. Going in this African store, produit de beauty, because I need some shampoo. Bonjour. Okay, so this is the one that I use normally, and I think when I buy them online it's the same. €7 normally when I buy them online, so it's okay buying it in the store. So I need conditioner, and they have the anti-breakage. I'm gonna try this one too. It's anti-breakage, strengthening and repair. Maybe I should try this one. This one is for $9.90. So they have all different type of birds in here. You name it, they have it. I like to buy the bread when it's already do the thing at the end, so that way it's not easily tangled. So I think I'm gonna buy 2-pack. Should I even buy any bird? Well, I can throw 2 big birds in my hair until it's time for vacation. Well, they have accessories, they have elastic. Is in here. I bought these. I like using these in my braids. And they have cosmetic jewelry. Ok, I think that's it. C'est le moment pour le petit déjeuner. Hein? Ça va, c'est pas grave. C'est combien pour un? €2,50. Ok. Got my hair products. Mission accomplished. Done. Buy 2 braids because my hair don't like combing every day. My hair need you to comb it and leave it, let it grow and flourish for a few days, and then come back and comb it again. So I need to go to a shop that sells waist bag like this one that I have on, because I need to find another one. So I know a store up the road that the Chinese sell really nice bags, so I'm going in there to see if they have any of these. It's early in the morning, it's just after 10, and the street's full. This is what happened when tourists start coming into our city, because our city is highly touristic. If you guys haven't known, a fun fact about Nice is that it's the second most visited city in France apart from Paris. So it's like they go hand in hand. You cannot come to France and visit Paris and don't visit Nice. It doesn't work. It's two different vibes. Paris is lots of love and lots of history in Paris if you want that kind of vibe in Paris. But if you're single, Paris is good for you too. But Paris is absolutely beautiful. Everything that you hear about Paris is true. Nice, on the other hand, is like you're in the Caribbean because it's beachy, it's vibesy, it's all the stories. So Nice give you a whole different vibe than what Paris give you. Yeah. So that's a rundown. If you come in France, you can't visit one and don't visit the other. It doesn't work. You have to visit Paris and you have to visit Nice. They go hand in hand. I am obsessed with these shoes. You see these shoes right here? I love them so much and I need to get me one before I go on vacation. I love this brown one up here. You have this brown one, you have this one, you have the green one, and you have the cream one. You guys comment down below which of these shoes I'm to get. This one, these two in the shot, the green, the gray, the green, the cream, the green, and there's another cream, and there's a brown, and I think there's a black somewhere. Yeah, see the black right there? I love them. So tell me, which one you think I should get? Maybe the black, because the black goes with everything. But let me know. Or the brown, I don't know, I'm torn, but I need to decide. Alright, I'm at the bag store right now. I see some on the window, but they're pretty expensive. I'm not looking for nothing expensive, so let's go in. I have many of them. But why is it that they're so expensive though? Okay you guys, so I left that store because those bags were way too expensive for my pocket. So now I took the tram and went to another section of these to see if I can find the bag elsewhere. I saw one just now, but it's in red and I don't want red. I prefer black. So I'm going to keep walking and see if I find it. So you guys, I was walking just now, the camera was off and a man stopped me and he said that he showed me his ticket. His ticket have one ride on it, but it have a tier on it. So he said when he put it in the machine, it doesn't valid. And in the tram, when you take the tram and if you're not valid a ticket and the police come, the control come on the tram and you don't have a ticket, then you have to fine 100 euro, sometimes 150 euro. So he said he have 1 euro and he needs to get where he's going, but he missed 50 cents. He missed 50 cents because to buy the ticket is 1 euro 50 cents. So I was searching in my bag and I have no coins at all, but I remember that I have Tyler tram ticket which actually have 4 rides on it. So I said, okay, you can take this ticket that have 4 rides on it and you can get where you're going. He was like, just to see the joy on his face that I could help, that makes me so happy. I didn't have my purse, I have no coins, I couldn't dig up in my bag and find any coins. So I was happy that I was able to assist him. He was so happy and he just jumped on the tram that was coming right away. Anyway you guys, I'm gonna go in the store. The Chinese stores always have everything, so let's see, maybe I can find something in here. Alright, so after walking all morning, I finally found the bag that's at a reasonable price, 10 euros. And all the others that have been seen from morning is 70 and 30. So this one is cute, it's neat, so I'll take it. Can you tell my both kids are home? My both kids are together? Yes.
Sweet. Spicy. Spicy. On voit des pieds. Ça doit être maman. Hé! Maman, elle est pas née. Hé! Je vois la télé. C'est Sarah qui a une plaque de chocolat. Yeah, 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 yeah. Sarah turn to do chef.
Dinner for today, so I made broccoli and mushroom in cream sauce. I did roast chicken in the oven and pasta.